car, dudes. Quick service on the 1V oil filter. Let's get it. There's the dog. There you go, your dog, cunt. Fucking dog. Dickhead. Ugh. Piss off. There's your dog. Fucking dog, mate. You. Oh, yeah. In you go, you fucking dog, cunt. This guy over there. Guys, might be selling today, man. Which means I can respray this guy. Maybe. You don't want to tighten this too much. Because you might snap the bolts. On this list here, S14 consumables list, because this is an S14 motor, it tells me how much engine oil I need. 3.7 litres. 3.7 litres for the engine. On your bottle, little markings here on the side, it tells you this bottle's actually got a litre and a bit left, so we're going to finish that and then we're going to use the new bottle, which has a whole 6 litres in it. Just go finesse it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Has a litre in. Mate, here's the good stuff. Penrite fully synthetic 10W40, mate. Complete full zinc protection, your dog. Fucking 6 litres. Fucking out, mate. Then close the cap and you just saved yourself like 150 bucks. Done. Guys, for the dirty oil, make sure you dispose of this responsibly. So what I'm doing is I've got this empty bottle here and I'm going to pour all of this into here, and the filter I'm going to store it away as well, and you have to dispose of this. You can go to a super cheap auto and you can dispose of it in their oil dispensaries. Don't put this in the bin. You're going to fuck up the environment, and yeah, just clean up any spills as you go. The last thing I'm going to do is just start this puppy up. See if she's all goodies. And let the new oil settle in. No, you can't fuck with the mob, we can pull up to the store. Always